Hello, this is Lance Cleveland. Today, Store Locator Plus version 4.7.1 was released with some updates to help with some new features that are coming in the Premier add-on. So some of the things that we have done here are we've added options to Smart Options that allow us to add cron-based or scheduled tasks to the product. So with the Premier add-on now, there will be new options under the schedule interface, and we'll get into these details for those. But the change to the base product allows us to make this scheduled task process easier for any add-on, third-party add-ons, Premier add-on, Power add-on, or Experience add-on. So that's one of the big changes, as well as updates to things like location import and the messaging system. Those have all been improved. The interfaces have been updated a little bit, so we get better and more information on import processes and things like that. The other updates that we have are support for minified JavaScript and CSS. So that will allow some of the things to load faster as we deploy more and more minified scripts. We've also changed the data structure on the locations so that the latitude and longitude now are indexed. That allows for a lot faster lookups when you're doing things like geocoding anything that's not encoded, or we're calculating distance of locations on the initial load of a new location. For the people that are doing tech tweaks to the map interface, we've also updated the pub sub model, which is a JavaScript model that allows other add-ons or other products to listen in or change the way Store Locator Plus works when it's doing things like rendering locations. And that's one of the things that allows us to do new things like these interactions with the results, where we can show different things like titles or drop a marker and that sort of thing. It also allows us to tweak things like whether or not we can click on locations that we did not add specifically that now come as part of the standard Google Maps API. Also, we've dismissed we've made the notification events inside of the location manager dismissible. So there was an issue when we were adding locations and we did a test location that you could not directly dismiss the add notification. You actually had to wait for it to time out, and that's been addressed. That problem has been fixed in the latest release, so you can, of course, clear all these out as you would expect. So those are the updates in 4.7.1, a lot of updates to support new features coming in the Premier add-on pack. As always, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting Store Locator Plus.